guys, continuing our playlist on NLP, and today we are going to discuss about character sets in NLP. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So before we discuss the topic on character set, so first let's try to recall what is set. So you might have studied about sets in your school days or your college days. Okay, so sets, they are basically represented using square bracket. Okay, so what I will do is so whatever is present inside the square bracket is a set. And so before we discuss about the character set, so let's take an example so that we can understand the basic concepts on character set. So what I will do is again I will take an example of print of find pattern. So here what I will do is here I will try to give some character. What I will do is I will just put it as X. Okay, and now what I will do is I will try to give some characters. What I will do is here I will give some characters which is a set. What I will do is here I will give it as X, Y, Z. Okay, so now see here we have already imported regular expression and we have defined the find pattern. Okay, and we are going to discuss about the character set. Okay, see here you can see that print of find pattern. Here I have given the input as X and here I have defined set as X, Y, Z. Okay, see whatever you define the set. Okay, so here I have given as X, Y, Z and here the input is X. Okay, suppose if I try to run this particular cell, see whatever is present as a set, it can match the input. Okay, it can match whatever the pattern is present in the input. Okay, so here the input is X and here the set is X, Y, Z. Okay, so even though there is no Y and Z, whatever the initial character which is present here, it will be matched through this set. Okay, suppose if I try to run this particular cell, let's see. Okay, I am getting some error. Unshapable type list. Okay, sorry guys, I have to give the square bracket inside the quotes. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so here you can see the match X. So here the input is X and the span is present between 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, see whatever the initial character which is present in the input, it is going to match, guys. Suppose if I give it as Y, X, and if I try to run this particular cell, so here you can see the match is Y and the span is between 0 to 1. Okay, see whatever the pattern you give here and the any character which is present in the first, so that is going to match, guys. Suppose if I try to give any other character apart from this, suppose if I try to give ABC, then it is not going to match, then probably the output will be not found. So not found. Okay, see whatever the initial character which is going to present here, it is going to match. So here the match is X. Suppose you can also give the range, guys. See here I have given as XYZ. Instead of XYZ, if you give X-Z, then also it is going to match in the same way. So here you can see the match is X. Okay, so now let's try to copy this and let's take one more example, and here I will try to give it as ABC, and here I will give it as A-C. See, here the first character is A and it's going to match A. Now if I try to run this particular cell, so the match is A and it's present between the span 0 to 1, and let's try to copy this. See one more example. Here I will try to give it as XYZ. Here I have given the set as A-C. It's not found. Okay. See, here you can give either a range or you can also give the pattern. So here I will give it as XYZ, and here the input is also XYZ. See, whatever the initial character present here, that is going to match. We try to run this particular cell, the match is X. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.